What is up, you guys? This is Skull Rider here, and I will be showing you how to glitch Make It Rain. So, how to get more money is go down to your settings, go to date and time. Make sure you could personalize it, so we could change the date and all. It's actually August 14th, but I've been doing this glitch, so not August 14th, but August 16th. Oh my god. 18th. Today's August 18th. So once you change the date on this, you click OK. Then you'll get a notification. So we'll go to Make It Rain. It'll take a while before it loads up, usually. And then you double your money, but see how I got 930 million right there? Wait for the video to load up.
Our enemies are closing in. We can't win without you. They want your land, your gold, and your crown. We need you to lead us. Raise your arms. Gather your allies. Bring order to this age of chaos. War in order. Play free now.
Then you just doubled your money. And then I'll do it one more time to prove because I just emptied my bucket. So go down, settings, date and time, change date. Forgot, but do it that way. But yeah. How it takes a while for it to load up. There we go. Then I'm going to get some more money.
Raise your arms, gather your allies, and crush your enemies. Bring order to this age of chaos. War in order. Play free now.
And yeah, that's how you get more money fast on Make It Rain. And peace out, my Skull fans.